when you are out of data bundle on MTN and you want to buy data bundle, the option that will come in your mind is to use the *138#, or better still, you can use the *141#. And with the *141#, which is just for you offer, when you dial it, you see the offers that MTN will give you is not favorable and also affordable. Okay, you get an offer which is not your favorite, or sometimes they will even tell you you do not have any offer. So when this happens, you may begin to look for other options that will help you to get an affordable data bundle for your internet browsing. So come, let me show you the best platform which you can use to purchase your affordable non-expiry data on MTN, Telcel and Airtel to go as well. Okay, so with this platform, with as low as 4 cedis 50 pesos, you get yourself 1 gigabyte of data. With 9 cedis, you get yourself 2 gigabytes of data. With as low as 42 cedis, you get yourself 10 gigabytes of data, non-expiry on MTN, and other offers which are affordable on the Telcel as well as that of the Airtel Tigo. And on this platform, they have 24/7 customer service, of which they will attend to all your issues and also all your complaints within just some short possible minutes. Okay, and the data delivery on this particular platform is from 1 minute to 10 minutes. That means when you purchase the data, there's no need for you to worry about when the data is going to arrive in your account. So within some short minutes, the data that you purchase will be delivered to your account, as simple as that, of which you can use it to browse your internet and get your favorite content like this as you are watching from the Talk Tech here. Okay, and on this platform, it's not only that you are going to be using it to buy your data for yourself, you can as well use this platform to generate some income for yourself, in the sense that you can be an agent, of which you can also sell data bundles, register people on Alpha Bundle to get commissions as well from this particular platform. So far, since being on this particular platform, it is one of the best, of which I recommend you to also be on this particular platform to get your affordable data, to get some daily hustle income from this particular platform, as well as when you become an agent and also be a data bundle seller. Okay, this platform is one of the best that I recommend to you. So if you want to use this platform to buy your data packages, be an agent, register people on Alpha Bundle and other amazing offers on this platform, check through the video description. The first link, you see the Telegram channel, the WhatsApp group and the WhatsApp channel, of which the link to the platform is being posted and pinned. Okay, just tap on either the Telegram channel and join the Telegram channel, or the WhatsApp group and the WhatsApp channel and join it, then get access to the platform link, of which you use to buy your affordable data package on MTN, Airtel to go and Telcel, as well as being an agent on Alpha registration and also doing data selling business for you to get some daily profit every blessed day from this particular platform. So far, this platform is one of the best, of which I recommend you to also use it, because I've tested it and this platform is so far cool, of which you can also use it. Okay, and here is the Talk Tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell, so that anytime I drop new video concerning content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to also benefit from this video. Here is the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.